In this quick video, I'll show you how to download the official Windows 11 ISO file directly from Microsoft in 2025. Whether you're reinstalling or creating a bootable USB, this is the safest and easiest way. Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft download page, or simply use the direct link in the description. Scroll down to the Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO section. Click Select Download, choose Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO, and hit Download Now. Now, select your preferred language and click Confirm again. Once done, Microsoft will generate a 64-bit download link valid for 24 hours. Click the Download button, and the ISO file will start downloading. Once downloaded, check the file size to make sure it's complete. You can now use this ISO to create a bootable USB drive or install Windows 11 on a virtual machine. That's it. You've successfully downloaded the official Windows 11 ISO file. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to IT Next, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.